One of the biggest reasons a lot of people are attracted to Asheville, North Carolina is its great outdoors and access to outdoors all year round. We have Blue Ridge Parkway that goes through town, so you don't have to drive anywhere. You can be right here in town and access all the trails. We have other places where people can go hike, bike, and be outdoors all year round. But what if I told you that you can live in a neighborhood where you'll be about 100 feet away from all kinds of trails for all of your biking and hiking? Is so big, the trail system is so huge, you can get lost. I recommend having a GPS with you. But that place, tucked into kind of southwestern corner of Buncombe County, we have access and the entry point to Blue Ridge Parkway. There's an arboretum that is a paid entry, and we have Bent Creek Experimental Forest. A lot of people, a lot of bikers and hikers, if not Blue Ridge Parkway, they go to Bent Creek for all of your hiking and biking. Well, you might have also heard about the neighborhood that is called Bent Creek. Bent Creek is an original, older, very established neighborhood that has some access points to Bent Creek Forest and all the trails. And then there's a newer part that is called Bent Creek Preserve. It consists of only about 15 homes. They are newer homes than what you see in the original Bent Creek community. And they are tucked away in the woods, sitting on, pretty much every house sits on about an acre plus of land, and they're designed that way to make you feel like you are in the woods, that you are in the trails, that you are in the outdoors while living here full time. So today I'm taking you on a tour of a very special property that is located right here in Bent Creek Preserve. It is, like I said, literally 100 yards away from the trail of Bent Creek where you can get lost. Welcome to your Sylvan retreat. Sylvan, by the way, means the woods. And every property in Bent Creek Preserve is built in woods in mind, in being immersed in the nature, being surrounded by the woods, and kind of be blended with the nature. And this house, I feel like, perfectly does blend with the nature. It is an extremely efficient home that is built to last with quality materials by local craftsmen. It is also Energy Star certified with traditional timber frame construction that has details that can be seen in the main floor ceiling, front porch, breezeway, and awning roof over the garage. So when you're standing right here in your driveway, you hear a bunch of birds, just nature. You don't really hear anything else. Yet you are very close to everything. Don't get me wrong. You are very close to all kinds of shopping in West Asheville. You are probably about 10 minutes away from the West Asheville, like Sunny Point Cafe is just down the road and you'll be right up there. You can also hop on the parkway and you like one parkway exit away from everything that South Asheville has to offer. You can go another way and get to another part of South Asheville, Arden, where Biltmore Park is, with all its shopping and movie theaters and all kinds of stuff over there. But here, you feel like you are literally in the middle of the woods. So this is your driveway. It's got traditional two-car garage. It's got a loft above the garage that is also heated, a little over 500 square feet of space. You can use it as a studio or, an office space. This is the main house with both structures have cedar siding and cedar shake siding, metal roof, and everything again looks and feels like it's just part of nature. A lot of rock, or all of the rock, was sourced here locally. Even though it's not your typical southern home, it does have a front porch in the best southern traditions. You can sit on and again listen to the nature and the birds. You're probably not going to see your neighbors. Again, every house is designed to feel like you are just you, nobody else. You don't really see or hear anybody. You probably will meet your neighbors at a trailhead, again 100 feet away or 100 yards away from the front door, because that is the biggest draw to this community in particular. Young professionals, families, people who like to be outdoors. And this home, as soon as you step foot in it, it even smells like the woods. I kid you not. Like, the level of craftsmanship here is like, you don't see that a lot. All kinds of details on the beams, in this wooden stairs. It was all done by hand here locally, like all these details. Here in the kitchen, in the living room, pretty much everywhere throughout the house, you have huge Anderson windows, double pane. And when you wash your dishes right here, I mean, you can just, you're not staring at something ugly. You're staring at this masterpiece of a home and nature and woods, and might even see a bear. You have Caesar stone quartz countertops right here in the kitchen, Wolf 36-inch Wolf stove and Wolf hood. Again, huge window, sub-zero fridge, and the cutest little pantry right here off of the kitchen with a pocket door to hide your oven, toaster, or perhaps your coffee station. And of course, it's very open floor plan. It kind of flows dining room, kitchen into your living room or sitting area with more so wood stove for your fireplace. We've seen it somewhere recently. I can't remember which property we featured, but it also had this kind of stove. All the windows here, like big picture frame windows at the top. The bottom levels of the windows or bottom sections open up for your natural airflow when you have a cooler night like we're having right now in Asheville. And here on the main level, you also have, they use it as an office with built-in shelves, but you could use it as a bedroom probably. And kind of like a mudroom area with a bathroom, laundry room, built-in shelves, and it connects you to your garage and your studio up on top of the garage through this breezeway. A lot of pendants, or probably most pendants in this house, like this one right here in this powder room, are from Lexington Avenue Glassworks, another local company. So pretty much most or as much materials they could use and source were sourced and created, crafted here locally. How cool is that? Let's go upstairs. I'll show you what you have up on the second level, and then we're gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna show you a sauna that is built in, comes and conveys with the house. What I love about this house is that everywhere you look out of any window, you see the nature, you see the woods, you see the trees, you see beautiful landscaping and hardscaping. And then, so here upstairs you have, let's go to this room first. So this is your primary bedroom. It doesn't have anything right now, but it's nice and spacious. It has like kind of like two sections. One can be where you have maybe a little sitting room, and another one where you have your bed. King size bed will fit in either section. I don't doubt it. Then you have your primary bathroom with another sliding door, double vanity sink. All the materials look super natural, nothing, like nothing harsh, like some of those black and white homes. This one feels very natural and kind of like it's one piece with the nature, with Mother Nature. By the way, that fireplace that is located in the living room, it's positioned right in the middle of the home. And if you use it, it will heat up the whole house because it goes through the whole house, through all the levels. So here's the pipe for it. It's gonna keep your house warm. This is probably a bedroom for a kid, but really anybody who likes to have a little fun, because it has a little loft. Oh gosh, I can only imagine what my son and my daughter would do here. There'll be all kinds of stuff hanging off this ceiling fan, and oh my God, they would have fun. And while you're here up on the second floor, by the way, you have another bathroom, whole bathroom, and access to another balcony or another deck up on the second floor that overlooks the back of the woods. You have a lot of mountain laurel and rhododendron, that's native plants here in Western North Carolina. When they bloom, they're so pretty. And this is how you get to your studio, that 500 square foot additional space above the garage. Another super light, tons of natural light and open space for, I mean, what would you do here? Looks like they used it as a gym because they have these materials here, but it can be an office. Oh man, I would love to have it as my office. Standing desk here and looking out at the woods. This looks like a little closet maybe that they have. Oh, it is not little. I mean, you cannot stand up all the way here, but it's huge actually. And no one ever said this, ever too much storage. Never heard that. Place to check out is the lower level that has my favorite feature, but hey, I'm from Russia and we love that kind of stuff. Basement does not feel like basement. It's a walkout basement. You have separate doors, tons of windows again. Sitting room here, you can, for all of your entertainment. By the way, you have a bedroom, maybe somebody is staying here, so they have a separate bedroom with a huge window all to themselves. And my favorite, and I love the way they did it because it's got a full bathroom here with a shower and bye, I'm not coming back. It smells like heaven. Cedar sauna right here in the lower level. Oh, I can just see myself. And there you have it. If you are shopping for a house and your budget is around $2.25 million, you want to be right here in the nature. You want to have direct access to great outdoors all year round for biking, hiking, and all kinds of stuff. You want to have energy efficient home with premier finishes, locally sourced materials. This home is available right here. If you're looking for anything else, or maybe you're just deciding whether or not this area is the right fit for you, reach out to me and my team. Schedule your absolutely free, no strings attached consultation via the Calendly link. It is in the description of each and every video, and I'll catch you on the next one.